I'm Crystal Schrader, and in this video we are going to be talking about animal testing and various alternative approaches, and why it is believed these alternative methods are more effective and efficient than animal testing. But first, let me give you a little background on animal testing. Animal tests are conducted to determine the level of toxicity of substances and products. According to Humane Society International, approximately 115 million animals are used each year for animals. Some of the products used are pharmaceutical drugs and pills, cosmetic products, and household cleaners. In 1959, Russell and Birch introduced the 3R principle: replace, reduce, and refine, for the purpose to foster alternative methods instead of animal testing. It is currently used by multiple countries and different agencies concerning animal testing and reducing the number of animals used. Before moving to the next clip, I would like to make it aware that the pictures used are a little graphic. Some surrounding arguments are that animal testing is harmful and inhumane. The animals are put through intense distress and suffer. However, after testing is complete, they are either used again, adopted out, or humanely euthanized. If they were just left, it would be a long, extensive recovery period. Animal testing is an example of in vivo experimenting, meaning within the organism. An alternative approach is in vitro, meaning within glass. In vitro uses human cells and tissues to conduct the toxicity test of products. Scientists study the reaction the products have on the tissues or cells. Two other alternative approaches are in silico modeling and quantitative structure relationship. Both are conducted on the computer, and scientists study the systematic behavior of a substance, looking at the molecular interactions. It is argued that alternative methods are more effective and efficient than animal testing. This is because animal testing is timely and expensive. Some animal experiments can take up from months to years and can cost from anywhere from $100,000 to millions of dollars. According to Humane Society International, a rat phototoxicity test is $11,500 and the alternative in vitro test is $1,300. Another reason alternative methods are argued to be more effective and efficient than animal testing is because most products being tested are used for humans. The in vitro method uses human tissues and cells to test the toxicity levels. Animals have a different physiology and genetics and do not model human diseases, therefore can give false results to the toxicity test. Because most products that are tested will be used by humans, it's more efficient and effective to use the alternative method in vitro because it uses human cells and tissue. Here is another warning for the next picture is going to be a little graphic. The counter-argument is that alternative methods do not provide as much information as a whole-body animal testing would. Because the testing takes place in a living organism with the system still in function, it gives a large amount of result to compare. However, because the whole body animal test uses animals to test products made for human use, it is still seen as not as effective, even if it gives a greater amount of information and results. The products being tested are for humans, therefore should be tested on human tissues and cells. Testing of pharmaceutical drugs on animals is less effective than using the alternative method in vitro that uses human cells and tissues. Animals do not get the same types of diseases that us humans have, for example, diabetes and asthma. Research has shown that scientists have tried to imitate these human diseases in animals in order to conduct toxicity experiments of drugs, although they were unsuccessful and used an alternative approach. Overall, alternative methods such as in vitro, in silico modeling, and quantitative structure-activity relationship are more effective and efficient than animal testing. This is because the alternative methods are less expensive and not as time-consuming as the animal testing. Also because it's testing human products and in vitro test on human cells and tissues and is more effective than animal testing because the animals do not get human diseases that us humans have. Thank you for watching.